Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are new to my channel, please to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So today in this video I will share some general science questions with you people. Let's see how many of you can solve this. Okay. So in our first question, the question is the disease where microbes are immediate cause are called. So what the question is asking us about, it's asking us about the diseases where microbes are the immediate cause. So all the diseases which are caused by microbes, most of them are what communicable, just like COVID-19, isn't it? So option 1 will be correct option, that is infectious diseases. All these bacteria and viruses and fungus, they cause what infection. Okay, let me also tell you what the other options are and what they mean. Second option is non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases are those diseases where there is no infection. Okay, just like someone is having back pain, like this. Chronic diseases are those diseases which cannot be cured. Okay, these are those diseases which will long for the whole life and they will never end. So these diseases are known as chronic diseases. Now coming to option number 4, acute diseases. Acute diseases are those diseases which are for short time, just like common cold. Okay, these diseases are these diseases are for short time. Some example of chronic diseases like HIV/AIDS. Okay, though some of HIV/AIDS are nowadays curable, but chronic diseases are what? Those diseases which cannot be cured. So here the correct answer will be infectious diseases. Okay, now let's move to question number 2. So our question number 2 is autotrophic mode of nutrition requires. Autotrophic, look, what does this autotrophic mean? Autotrophic means a mode of nutrition where the animal cooks or makes his own food. Sorry, it's not like that human cooks his own food, so we are autotrophic. No, not like that. Those the correct word will be synthesis. Okay, synthesis. The organisms who synthesize their own food are known as autotrophic organisms, just like few fungus and plants. Okay, plants do what? Plants make their own foods. So in this question, what asked is autotrophic mode of nutrition requires. For your kind information, plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so let's see which of the following is required in photosynthesis. Look, what happens in photosynthesis. Suppose this is a plant. Okay, suppose this is a plant and here is the leaf. Okay, don't laugh at my diagram, please. Okay, so what will happen here? Here is the sun. So in the presence of sunlight, the plants do what? In the presence of sunlight and water. Water means what? H2O. 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 Okay, in the presence of H2O, that is water, sunlight, and what? CO2, that is carbon dioxide. So in presence of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, the chlorophyll pigment of the leaves, in the leaves there is what? There is chlorophyll pigments. Okay, like here there is many chlorophyll pigments. This pigment chlorophyll is the pigment due to which the color of the leaf is green. Okay, so in the presence of this chlorophyll pigment do what? In the presence of sun rays, it takes in water through their stomatal pores. There are some pores in the leaf which are known as stomatal pores. Through these stomatal pores, they take what? H2O, that is water, and what? And carbon dioxide, CO2. And with sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, the process of photosynthesis goes on. Photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Synthesis. SIS. SIS. Okay, so with this, with the in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and H2, what happens, what takes place? The process of photosynthesis, that is the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So our question is that autotrophic mode of nutrition requires. So what does this autotrophic mode of nutrition requires? Just like I told right now, first option is carbon dioxide, second one is sunlight. Yes, the process of photosynthesis or preparation of food through autotrophic mode requires carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and also chlorophyll, isn't it? Because without that pigment, the plant cannot prepare their own food. Okay, so chlorophyll. So here all these three will be required. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be all the above, all of the above. So here the correct answer will be option 4. Okay, so what will be the correct option here? The correct option here will be option 4. Now moving to question number 3, iodized salt. Look, what is written here is iodized salt. So what is iodized salt? Look, a mixture of potassium iodide and common salt. I don't know how, but yes, this is the correct answer only. Let me explain why. Okay, potassium iodide and common salt. So the iodized salt, what is this iodized salt? This iodized salt is nothing but common salt only. Common salt. Okay, common salt, the salt that the salt that we eat in our day-to-day life, that salt only and nothing else. So this iodized salt is what? Nothing but the common salt only. So how it is prepared? Look, the iodized salt is a homogeneous mixture of what? Both common salt and potassium iodide. So what is homogeneous mixture here? Look, I am telling you all these things because these things are very important, also in the perspective of general knowledge na. So what is homogeneous mixture? Mixture that has same proportion of its component throughout the given sample. What does the homogeneous mixture means? It means that the quantity of potassium iodide and the quantity of common salt is same in the iodized salt. Okay, I hope you people are understanding whatever I am telling. If you people have any doubt, please do comment below. I will surely explain the topic. Now coming to the next question, how many atoms does the molecule of oxygen contain? Look, oxygen is what? O2. So there are 2 molecules of oxygen. So here the correct option will be 2. Now moving to next question. A dynamo is a device for converting. Look, let me tell you first what is a dynamo. Okay, a dynamo is something that converts mechanical energy into electric energy. That is, it is a machine that converts what? Mechanical energy ME to electric energy EE. Okay, and basically dynamo is an electric generator. Okay, this dynamo is actually the one of those first generator that used to supply electricity to industry and all. So dynamo is what? Basically a generator that converts the mechanical energy into an electrical energy. So an electric generator that creates direct current using a commutator. Now let me tell you what is a commutator. Commutator is an attachment connected with the armature of motor or dynamo. So here what is asked here, that a dynamo is a device for converting. None of this let us read the options first now. Electrical energy to mechanical energy, no. As I told, it converts for mechanical energy to electrical energy. Mechanical energy to electrical energy, this is the correct option. Mechanical energy to speed energy, no, this is not the correct answer. Okay, now moving to next question. What type of wave are light wave? The correct answer is transverse wave. Light waves are transverse wave. In transverse wave, what happens? In transverse wave, the medium travels perpendicular to the direction of the wave, just like this. If this is the plane, then transverse wave will be like this. Okay. Option B is longitudinal wave. Just for your kind information, longitudinal wave. In longitudinal wave, the medium moves in the same direction as the wave, like this. Okay, so what is light? How does light travels? Light is a transverse wave. So option 1 is the correct option. Now moving to next question. Ribosomes are the sites of. So ribosomes are present in what? Both prokaryotic. Ribosomes are present in both prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Okay. Ribosomes are present in both eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell, and what they do, they are the sites of protein synthesis. In those ribosomes, the protein synthesis takes place. Now moving to the next question. Among the following statement, which is or are correct? So first statement is what? Plant convert energy from sunlight into food stored as carbohydrate. This is the correct correct option, isn't it? Yeah, plants convert the energy from sunlight. They convert that energy into what? Carbohydrates only, in the form of starch. So this is the correct option. Option 2 is plant have chlorophyll. Yes, this plant have chlorophyll, just like I have told you in one of my previous questions, I think, that what this chlorophyll are. Chlorophyll is a pigment which gives the leaf green color. Okay, so chlorophyll is basically a pigment only which helps in photosynthesis. So this is also correct. Plant cells do not have cell walls. Look, this option is what? This option is wrong. This option is wrong. So what will be our correct answer? That only 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, a passenger is moving in a bus is thrown forward when the bus suddenly stops. This is explained by Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, the principle of conservation of momentum. Look, according to Newton's first law, here the correct answer is Newton's first law. Let me explain why. Because according to Newton's first law, every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force, which means that any object which is in a particular motion, if it is in a rest, then it will remain in rest only. If it is in motion, it will be in motion only, unless and until what will happen, some external force will come and act on it. Just for example, here is a football. Okay, suppose this is a ball. Can this ball move by its own? If it's in resting state, RS, it will be in resting state only. But now suppose what? Suppose someone just came and kicked it. Okay, someone just came and kicked it. Now the ball will what? Ball will roll and ball will roll only, isn't it? Unless and until something will stop it. And if it stops by its own only, then don't think like this ball is stopped by its own. It is stopped due to what? Due to friction. Okay, due to friction. Friction is the roughness of the surface. We can call it as friction, just for your basic knowledge. And for your kind information, Newton's first law is also known as law of inertia. Law of inertia. Okay, so law of inertia. 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 Law of inertia inertia, law of inertia na. uh, Newton's first law can be best explained through just like the question said ki if we are traveling in a car or bus and the bus or car stops suddenly, then what happens? We just come a little bit in front, isn't it? So here the correct option will be Newton's first law. Now moving to the next question: which of the following organisms breathe from skin? So here the correct answer is earthworm. The earthworm do what? They breathe through their skin. Monkey, human, they breathe through what? They breathe through lungs, isn't it? So here the correct option is earthworm. Now moving to next question: which juice secreted by the organs in the alimentary canal plays an important role in the digestion of fats? Look, first let us circle the important words first. First one is organs, second one is what? Alimentary canal, isn't it? Okay, so first the third one is digestion of fats. That means organs that produce some juice. Here is another important word, juice, which in also in the alimentary canal, which plays an important role in the digestion of fats. Let's start with the first option. First option is pancreatic juice or saliva. Look, pancreatic juice is produced in the alimentary canal, but the saliva is not produced in the alimentary canal. Okay, so this is not the correct option. Next is hydrochloric acid and mucus. Hydrochloric acid has no function in first of all, hydrochloric acid is not a juice, and secondly it has no function in the digestion of fats. Also mucus has no function in the digestion of fats. So here it is not the correct answer. What does hydrochloric acid do? They just make the food easy for the rest of our digestive system to break it down. Okay, number third option is bile juice and pancreatic juice. Yes, this is the correct option. Look, bile juice is secreted by which one? Is secreted by liver. So this is secreted in the alimentary canal and also helps in digestion of fats. Also the pancreatic juice, that is secreted by whom? The pancreas. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct option. Saliva and hydrochloric acid, this is also the wrong option. Now moving to the next question. If you people have any doubt, please do ask. Okay, which of the following aquatic animal does not have gills? Octopus has gills, squid has gills, clownfish has gills, whales. Whales is the correct option. Because why? Because whales breathe through their lungs. Okay, whales have lungs and they breathe through their lungs. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following organelle shows similarity to the prokaryotic cell? First one is mitochondria only. This is the correct answer. Mitochondria is present both in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Second option is chloroplast. Look, chloroplast is not the correct answer. Because why? Because chloroplast is present in what? Present in the prokaryotic cells only. Chloroplasts are not present in the eukaryotic cell. So here the correct option will be option 1, that is mitochondria only. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following helps in the blood clotting? So here the correct answer will be vitamin K. Okay, vitamin K helps in blood clotting. With this I am ending my video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the like button to motivate me to share more videos like this, and do comment below if you have any kind of confusion in any of these topics. Okay, bye, take care and good luck.